So my name is Thomas Lynge, or Lynge if you're foreign. I'm the Fleet Management Systems Manager at Uni-Tankers, and I've been there for 10 years now, working with Kongsberg, K-Fleet. Uni-Tankers is a mid-sized oil and chemical tanker vessel operator. We own our own fleet and we also charter in vessels. So we are currently in the market for renewing our fleet, meaning that we also need to see maintenance in a new set of eyes, a new perspective. We have been operating since the early 90s and have been renewing our mentality along the way, feeding into the new regulations, making sure that we are in front, making us one of the top operators currently in our core market. For the past decade, K-Fleet has supported many and also many future functions and decisions, workflows, processes, big and small decisions on a daily basis, but also strategic levels on a short, mid and long-term level. K-Fleet is basically the source of many information, and it spans from financial decisions to procurement. Right now we have a breakdown of what to do, what was the past initiatives taken, where did these spare parts come from, originate, to strategic levels where we look into ESG, all the environmental aspects. So it's basically influencing everything. It's also a really good question because it's basically integrated in every single aspect of decision making. Right now, K-Fleet is the source of so much data that we can actually do some really deep dives into the data that we have. It's washed, it's clean, it is indicative of what is actually being going on board of our vessels. So do we have a breakdown, then we can track all the spare parts ever purchased since the new installation. We can track down consumables, we can track down the uses of those, we can track down whether or not they have a larger or smaller impact on ESG, and then tweak that and optimize that on a strategic level. It is the source of so many things. When it's combined with financial, commercial and strategic initiatives, it's brilliant. It is a game changer from what we have right now. It is going from the Stone Age to the 21st century. The overall experience working with Kongsberg Digital has been a great sparring partner to have the same approach to the future. And instead of being focused on the present right now, we have a long mid-term strategy. We see the same development points being necessary for the future, meeting the regulations and new requirements head on instead of on the fence, being caught behind everybody else. I like the same approach. We basically have the same mindset, and being proactive is something that is necessary to meet those challenges, but also to make sure that we are upfront with all this development, AI, Internet of Things, integrations, all of these different aspects. Now I want to create new standards for cooperation between the vessels and the offices that we have, making sure that data is driven in all decision making.